Ever feel like you're juggling flaming chainsaws while trying to run your business? And one of those chainsaws is payroll? Yeah, I get it. You're not alone. You're trying to keep your team happy, stay compliant, and maybe even find a spare minute for yourself. But payroll? It feels like a black hole of paperwork, tax forms, and endless calculations. You're wondering, is there an easier way? A way that doesn't involve me pulling my hair out? Well, what if I told you there was? What if I told you that you could streamline your payroll process, automate those tedious tasks, and reclaim your precious time? Today, we're diving deep into how to set up QuickBooks Online Payroll, a tool designed to make your life significantly easier. Now, before we jump into the step-by-step, let's talk about why this matters. Think about it. Payroll isn't just about paying your employees. It's about building trust. It's about ensuring compliance, avoiding costly penalties, and ultimately, fostering a healthy and productive work environment. When your team knows they're paid accurately and on time, it boosts morale and allows them to focus on what they do best, helping your business thrive. But the old way, the manual way, that's a recipe for disaster. Human error is inevitable. Tax laws are constantly changing. And let's be honest, who has the time to decipher complex payroll regulations? That's where QuickBooks Online Payroll comes in. It automates the calculations, handles the tax filings, and keeps you compliant, all from one user-friendly platform. So, let's get down to business. We're going to break this down into manageable steps. First, you'll need a QuickBooks Online account. If you don't have one already, you can sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, you'll see a navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Here's step 1. Navigating to the payroll setup. Look for the Payroll tab. Click on it. You'll likely see a button that says something like Get Started or Set Up Payroll. Click that. This is where the magic begins. Now, QuickBooks will walk you through a series of setup questions. Don't panic. It might seem daunting at first, but it's designed to be intuitive. The first thing you'll need to do is provide your company information. This includes your legal business name, address, employer identification number, EIN, and state tax identification numbers. Make sure you have all this information handy. Accuracy is crucial here, as any errors can lead to tax issues down the line. Next, you'll need to set up your employees. This is where you'll enter their personal information, including their names, addresses, social security numbers, and contact details. You'll also need to input their pay rates, pay schedules, and any deductions or withholdings. QuickBooks will guide you through this process, providing helpful prompts and explanations along the way. One of the most important aspects of payroll is handling taxes. QuickBooks Online Payroll automatically calculates and files your federal and state payroll taxes. However, you'll need to provide some information to ensure it does this correctly. This includes your tax filing frequency, your state unemployment tax rates, and any other relevant tax information. Again, accuracy is key. Double-check everything before moving on. Now, let's talk about bank account integration. This is where you'll connect your business bank account to QuickBooks. This allows you to pay your employees and taxes directly from your account. You can also set up direct deposit, which is a convenient and secure way to pay your team. QuickBooks will guide you through the process of verifying your bank account. After you've entered all the necessary information, you'll need to review and confirm your setup. Take your time here. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, you can finalize your setup and start running payroll. But that's not all. QuickBooks Online Payroll offers a range of additional features that can further streamline your payroll process. For example, you can set up automatic payroll runs, which eliminates the need to manually process payroll each pay period. You can also generate detailed payroll reports, which provide valuable insights into your payroll expenses. Another fantastic feature is the Employee Self-Service Portal. This allows your employees to access their pay stubs, W-2s, and other payroll information online. This saves you time and reduces the number of payroll-related inquiries you receive. Let's talk briefly about common pitfalls. One major issue is incorrectly entering employee data. A typo in a social security number or a bank account can create major headaches. Always verify information with employees. Another issue is not understanding your state's payroll tax laws. Each state has unique regulations. QuickBooks helps, but you must familiarize yourself with your state's specific requirements. And lastly, not reconciling your payroll records with your bank statements. This can lead to discrepancies and financial issues. Regularly reconciling your accounts is crucial. Now, for some advanced tips, consider using QuickBooks Online Payroll's time tracking integration. This allows you to track your employees' hours and automatically import them into your payroll system. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors. Also, explore the reporting features. QuickBooks Online Payroll offers a variety of reports that can help you analyze your payroll data and identify areas for improvement. Use these reports to gain valuable insights into your payroll expenses and make informed decisions. Consider setting up custom pay types. If you have employees who receive bonuses, commissions, or other types of supplemental pay, you can set up custom pay types to accurately track and process these payments. This ensures that your employees are paid correctly and that your payroll records are accurate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.